Hello, this is Richard Music with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and begin generating more revenue for your business month after month. Now, to do this, we first have to understand how people are finding landscaping businesses in your area. Most people just go on to Google and type in whatever service or industry that they want, plus the city. Then they normally just pick from the first few results down below or in the map pack section that you see on the screen. Now you'll notice that there's a search volume of 110 landscaping in Kissimmee, Florida each and every month. Now, if we can put your business at the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 110 potential customers each month will see your business first before looking at the competition. However, in order to do this, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's start by looking at the Google map since we're already on the search results page. Now you're going to notice that this is the map pack section, and the map pack is an important part of generating traffic for your business. One of the factors that it looks for when selecting where a company ranks is called citations. Now, citations are where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book, and so on. Currently, your top three competitors have 23, 29, and 33 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition, so I recommend doubling the biggest number. So we will need 66 citations to really move up in the map pack. But it doesn't stop there. We also have the organic search results section down below in this area here. Now, these results look for a few things different than the map pack. So let's take a look at your competitor's website and see how they're ranking on their first page. Now, you'll notice that we're taking a look here at the landscaping in Kissimmee, Florida, or the Chop Chop Landscaping website page. And you're going to see that they have a visually aesthetic website, but they also have a lot of content, keywords, key phrases as well that are scattered out throughout their website. Now, keywords are words or phrases used on a web page that signify to Google vital information about our business, such as what we do and where we operate from. And this is going to help to put us in searches that are related to our business, such as a high volume or business related searches like landscaping, for instance. So we'll want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while maintaining a high volume of content with a minimum that I like to recommend of 750 to 1,000 words on your homepage. But if I told you that all you needed was content and keywords, I'd be lying, as we will also need backlinks to really push forward in the ranks, as content and keywords lay the foundation. Backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at your competitors' backlink structure. Now you're going to notice that your competitors, they have 33 backlinks to their website, and that's caused them to really generate some power for themselves while they bring in 157 searches per month to their website. And this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as content and keywords, as we discussed, as well as this backlink structure. So, with all the information that I've given you here today, I ask, what could this extra traffic each month do for your business? I hope that you have found this information helpful, and I thank you for taking the time to watch. Again, this is Richard Music with Quantum Leads, and I'm wishing you a wonderful day.